Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see in the title, I will be doing an unboxing. So anyways, let's just start because I have 2 or 3 other more videos to film. But anyways, I got myself another Louis Vuitton when we were in Charleston, South Carolina, downtown actually. I was planning to buy the mini pochette accessories, like the little tiny bag. I will just pop up in the screen. I've been wanting to get that, and then it's just been sold out online, and I was just, you know, trying to see if they have availability in Charleston, because it sold out in DC when we went to or even Virginia. But anyways, so I got myself, this was really unexpected, but then anyways, so you guys can see in the title, I got myself another key pouch right here, the box right here, and the ribbon is blue. I really like it right there. So I'm just gonna, I haven't opened this actually because I want to film this video. So anyways, let's just open it for you guys. Okay, right there, and let's unbox it. Okay, so it's the same one as my card holder, this little dust bag. And oh my goodness, I got the key pouch. I think that's what they call key pouch, or clasp, I don't know. Let's see, hold on. So there she is. So I got the Damier Eben. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but I was planning to buy the monogram, but then the sales lady told me that they sold out the monogram and this is the only one left. So I was like, I really want the monogram because I have my monogram card holder and my monogram pochette accessories. So I wanted another one monogram of these, just in kind of like my collection, like mini monogram collection. But then it was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get it because it's been sold out online. I even checked in their website, it's still sold out, and it says call for availability. And this is key pouch, and it's $205. So the reason I got these because I will give my Gucci Supreme key pouch to my sister Sydney when I go back to the Philippines. So if you haven't watched my unboxing, my Gucci unboxing, then I will leave the card in the screen or in the description box below for you guys. But I already put the Gucci Supreme key case in here because I just want to give it to her as is, you know, with the box. It's gonna be, this is gonna be her second designer because I got my sister a Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the size GM. So this is gonna be for her as well, and I'm planning to buy my sister Trisha another Louis Vuitton wallet because I haven't give her like luxury items. I just want to spoil my sisters. I don't know, I just love spoiling them, and also my sister Mika as well. So planning to do shopping maybe, you know, later on this year. But this is the key pouch from Gucci, and this is just like a side-by-side comparison. So this is the Gucci, and then this is the Louis Vuitton. Let me take the chain. Okay, so this is actually pretty huge. This can fit like a lot of cards and also wallet. And if you want, I already told my sister how to use it. So you just pull, and then right there, and you can put your keys, and then put it back. And then in the Louis Vuitton it's different because you have to, oh yeah, you gotta slide this, and there you go. So you can put your keys in here. But I just literally bought this LV multicolor key pouch or keychain. I don't know, I forgot. But this one, and the reason I got another one of these because as you guys can see, this is white, and I can also see like the dirt in the white, and I don't want it to be like dark creamy white. It's a rare piece, so I kind of like want to preserve it and, you know, like just keep it because it's already old and it's rare and it's white, and I kind of just like, I don't want it to get dirty. And then if I have to go, like I said, running errands or even going to like work, I had to carry this and also my key card holder. So it's kind of like bulky, to be honest, if I just use my pochette accessories. But then if I use this, I can put my credit cards, my driver's license, and I can put my my keys. So maybe once in a while I like to switch my key holder or something like that. So I'll use, even before I use this, and then I'll switch it up with you know, other wallet. So now that I'm giving this away to my sister, I can switch this to this one, just if I'm just literally running errands, like going to grocery store, so I don't have to carry these two. Let's talk about this. Like I said, the price is $205 US. Let me just get the receipt. Okay, right here. So same thing, the receipt, they'll put this in the little card. So let's see, it's $205, and with a total with a tax is $18.45. So that overall is $223.45, because I thought this was $250. I don't know why, but she said no, it's only $205. So I'm like, okay, that's you know, that's good. So right here, I kind of like it, and I want to test out. I'm gonna try to pull my credit cards from my card holder and put it here, just to see how many cards will fit in the Louis Vuitton key holder or key pouch. Okay, so I have my BJ's card, my credit card, I still have my Royal Caribbean card. Hold on. So I got my debit card, 1 2 3 4. I'm gonna take my green card and my license, so 6. That's 6 card. Let me just try to fit in my Royal Caribbean card and my husband's Caribbean. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 cards. Let's see if it fits in this key pouch. So, oh, it still has a lot of room. So that's 8 cards inside, and I have a $20 cash. Let's put it there too. So that still has a lot of room. Wow. And yeah, well, that's great, because it has a lot of room, so you guys can see. So I think you can put more cards in here, which is really amazing. And I have more membership card, like Sephora or maybe like Ulta card, and more credit cards that, you know, I don't really carry a lot of credit cards. I only carry like 1 in my debit card. So I think if I'm, you know, running, like I said, running errands, I can probably fit more cards in here if I need and if I want to. And I can put cash as well. So let's test the key out here. I'm gonna just take out my keys in here, which I only have 2. My not driver, but my house key and my car key. So I'm gonna take my car key and house key, and then I'll be right back. So this is what it looks like, you guys, with my car key and my house key right there. So I feel like I'm gonna use this tomorrow for work, so I don't have to carry this one, and I don't have to carry my card holder. So I think I'm just gonna let my card holder and my this one rest, and I'm gonna put them in the dust bag. So I'm gonna let them rest for a minute, because I've been using this to like non-stop, like every day. So I'm gonna try to use the new one, which is the key pouch, so I don't have to carry, you know, this bulky ones. Like, I mean, it's not like bulky, but like I don't have to carry 2. I just have to carry this one. So okay, that's it, you guys. I believe I can put more cards, credit cards in here, or more like cash, if, you know, I only have like my $20 cash. But if I want to, and if you guys want to, you can put more in here, because it actually has a lot of space. But we'll compare this with my Gucci. I actually want to try this again, but all the cash in here, like the cash and cards, I'm gonna put it in my Gucci if it's the same. All right, so the Gucci also has a lot of space as well. Right there, see, it still has a lot of space. It's the same as the LV, and this is just like the side-by-side comparison. Actually, hold up. It's the same one. It's gold hardware as the Gucci GG Supreme, and also with the Louis Vuitton. And then this one is just looks like a little bigger. And then this one right here, this is the Gucci, you can see, and then this is the Louis Vuitton right there. Let me try to zip the Gucci actually. That's easy. And then the LV. Okay, so that's that. Has Louis Vuitton Paris, and then the same as the other side, Louis Vuitton Paris, kind of like a checkered vibes. So maybe soon if they have the monogram, because I really want the monogram. I don't know, I just like the monogram print. This one is actually cute as well, but you know, this is like my first Damier Ebene. Correct me if I'm wrong, if I'm saying the name, just correct me if I'm wrong. But anyway guys, I think that's all for this video, because I still have to film another video. But like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you made this far, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'm doing a giveaway soon, and I will keep you guys updated about that. So anyways, like I said, like this video, subscribe to my channel. If you haven't watched the Gucci unboxing, then like I said earlier, I will leave it in the description box or in the screen somewhere around. So anyways, I'll see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.